We've spent the last 15 years living in the app era. Since the launch of the iPhone, our digital lives have been a collection of icons. But what if I told you that by 2027, apps as we know them will be obsolete? We are moving beyond simple chatbots like ChatGPT. We are entering the era of AI agents. This isn't just a new feature, it's the biggest shift in human-computer interaction since the invention of the mouse. Welcome to Wonder Logic, and today we explore the end of the app era. To understand the future, we need to understand the difference between a tool and an agent. A tool, like a hammer or even a search engine, waits for you to use it. An AI agent is different. It doesn't just answer your questions, it acts on your behalf. Think about booking a flight. Today, you have to open a browser, compare prices, enter your credit card details, and manage the confirmation. An AI agent skips all that. You simply say, "Book me a trip to London under $800 next Tuesday." And the agent goes into the web, interacts with websites, and finishes the task while you grab a coffee. It's the shift from software you use to software that works for you. How is this possible? The wonder lies in a logical process called reasoning loops. Unlike standard AI that predicts the next word in a sentence, an AI agent follows a four-step cycle. 1. Planning. It breaks your complex request into a dozen small steps. 2. Action. It uses tools like your email, your calendar, or even a web browser to execute those steps. 3. Observation. It checks the result. Did the website load? Was the ticket available? 4. Self-correction. If it hits a wall, it tries a different logical path. It's essentially a digital brain that can navigate the internet, exactly like a human would, but at 1,000 times the speed. Imagine a world where your AI handles your emails, manages your finances, and even codes software while you sleep. This is not science fiction anymore. But there's a deeper logic here. If an AI agent can do everything for you, why do you need an interface? Why do you need 50 different apps on your phone screen? In the near future, this screen might vanish. You will interact with a single unified AI layer that connects all services. Your smartphone will no longer be a device full of apps. It will be a device with one single, powerful personality that knows exactly what you need before you even ask. The transition from automation to autonomy is the next great frontier of our civilization. It's efficient, it's powerful, and it's slightly terrifying. But the logic is clear. The future belongs to those who can delegate to the machines. The question is, are we ready to give up control? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the logic of tomorrow, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Wonder Logic. Stay curious, stay logical. See you in the next one.